Hello everyone, welcome to MHBuzz channel. Firstly, go to your search bar and type Payoneer sign up. Click on the first link, create an account. Click on the register button by the right of your screen. If you are using phone, make sure you switch to desktop to see all options. Wait till it loads. It says choose the right Payoneer account type. Choose individual. Click on first option. Get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payments. Click on register button. Please be careful when trying to input your necessary information. Kindly input your name according it is in your NIN or bank name, and it must matches your bank name in NIN. Type of business must be individual, not company. Choose your correct date of birth. Click on next. Choose your country, street and number, postal code, phone number and request for code, and a code will be sent to you. Make sure to wait for them to send because it takes time sometimes for the code to be sent. Click on next. In this part, you choose a username, a strong password, security question and answer, including your NIN and details. So I will skip my part of inputting NIN and details because of necessity. Click on next after your information. In this place, you choose a working bank of yours. fill them correctly, so as to be credited whenever you receive funds to your Payoneer. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions and pricing and fees. Then click on Submit. After that, a mail will be sent to your Gmail, stating your account is under review, and after been approved you will be notified. Subscribe. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.